US President Donald Trump has defended the ongoing war in Iran, asserting that the conflict, now just over a month old, is already nearing its end, while drawing comparisons with some of the longest wars in history to justify his strategy. Addressing the nation, Trump said the US military operation has run for just 32 days, insisting that America is already close to achieving its key objectives. He projected confidence that the war could be wrapped up within weeks, calling it a swift and decisive campaign compared to prolonged conflicts of the past. Only 32 days versus decades of war. In a bid to reassure Americans, Trump listed major wars that stretched for years, from World War II to the Vietnam War, to argue that the current Iran conflict is relatively short and under control. He framed the ongoing military operation as a necessary and efficient mission, saying past wars dragged on for years while this one is progressing ahead of schedule. Trump said, American involvement in World War I lasted 1 year, 7 months and 5 days. World War II lasted for 3 years, 8 months and 25 days. The Korean War lasted for 3 years, 1 month and 2 days. The Vietnam War lasted for 19 years, 5 months and 29 days. Iraq went on for 8 years, 8 months and 28 days. Trump claimed that the US has already crippled Iran's military capabilities, including its navy, air force and missile systems, significantly reducing its ability to pose a threat. He said the core strategic objectives are nearing completion, signaling that Washington believes it has largely achieved its goals in the region. War still on, strikes continue. Despite the optimistic tone, Trump made it clear that military operations are not over yet. He warned that strikes will continue for the next few weeks to finish the job, indicating that the conflict is still active on the ground. While Trump insists victory is near, critics say the administration has not clearly defined what completion actually means. Concerns remain over rising casualties, global oil disruptions, and continued tensions in the region.